of anything. So you need to clean your speakers, but now we got these things that can clean your speakers. These are Hurtz. Okay, Hurtz, kilohertz, megahertz, gigahertz. These are all the hertz we use to clean our speakers. This is also used in other devices with speakers. You can run Hertz with a loud sound on YouTube, or you can boost up the speaker volume of your phone to clean your speakers. That can also work sometimes, even though it sounds so stupid. It can also change the frequency, or sometimes the microphone can explode.